Okay. All right, let me see. Deputy Butler, I thought I made you co-host. Huh, I don't see it. Okay, well, let me do it now. Oh no, you are co-host already, Deputy Butler. I don't know why you didn't show up over here. Huh. This machine plays tricks on me. All right, we are on YouTube Live. Let me bring in the participants. We still have some connections coming in. I'm going to call this docket in the order in which the attorneys have appeared, and that means Christina Mendiola is number one.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm present for Rodney Rodriguez.
Okay, is he present?
I believe so. He just emailed me that he was signing in, and he's been present for every hearing we've had.
Okay.
Here, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir. I'm going to mark you present. What do you want to do on this, Miss Mendiola?
If we could have a quick reset, I believe that his felony is pending indictment.
Now you should hear. Plug it back in. Plug it back in.
Does he have a felony pending?
Yes, that is correct.
All right, need the attorney on that?
Yes, I am as well.
I don't know what happened here. I've got something on my screen that does not belong there. Let me see if I can get rid of it. Oh, there it went. All right, so we will reset that for April 19, okay?
Okay, that'll work, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And Mr. Rodriguez can log off. You have a great day, Miss Mendiola.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Laura Lefton.
Hi, Judge. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. We would like a reset as well. Mr. Hernandez should be logged on. He has 2 unindicted felonies that I represent him on that I'm working on. So if we could reset
What is his
that.
first name?
I'm sorry, Robert Hernandez. It is on page 7. And the case number is, I told myself to memorize it before I started talking, 663509.
Okay. And Mr. Hernandez is here. I'll mark him present.
Okay.
And you wanted to reset this all, so he has felonies pending, you said?
Yes, ma'am. He has 2 felonies pending.
Okay. And you're the attorney on that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. April 19.
Thank you. May we be excused, please?
Yes, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Great day. Bye.
You may be excused.
Milton Butler?
Yes, I have a Demarion Harrison, 660571. It's on the bottom of page 6. This case is set for a plea. I'm not sure whether Mr. Harrison has returned the paperwork or not.
All right, what was his first name?
Demarion, Demarion.
Okay, yeah, I think I saw, yeah, he's present. All right, so we will ask you to come back at 1:30, Mr. Butler, and we will do that plea at that time. That'll give us a chance to make sure we have the paperwork all ready to go.
Okay, we'll be back at 1:30.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hagee Khan, or Cone, I'm not sure.
Judge, I think that may be me. Hadi
Yes.
Khan.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I wrote down
That's
the wrong
okay.
name.
It's
Okay,
not the
thank
first time and it won't be the last.
Okay. And you're here on what case, sir?
Good morning, Judge. Here on Kristen Morey.
Okay, do you have a cause number on that?
Yes, Judge. Cause number is 677457.
Okay. And is your
And
client,
you should be present as well.
he is present? Okay, great. And would you like to confer on this? What do you want to do on this?
Yes, Judge, I would like to speak with the state if possible.
Okay, I went ahead and marked you conferring. You'll be getting a breakout room any second.
Thank
Do
you,
you
Your
want your client to wait for you?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, please.
great. All right,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you. Sean Sheffield?
Good morning, Your Honor. I
Hi.
have Matthew Holman, Your Honor, and I have not had any contact with him. He also has a felony pending, which I'm actually about to get on a Zoom for that.
Okay. All right, and let me see, I don't remember why that name stays in my mind. Is Mr. Holman here?
I didn't see him on the Zoom, Your Honor. I did send him the info.
All right. Okay, and you're getting ready to go do the Zoom on this case? Or
Yes, Your Honor,
maybe-
the 227th, he has a possession case.
So maybe maybe he's got the Zoom link for that. So I'm going
Right.
to just reset this for April 19, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You have a great day, Judge.
Thank you. Tim Roundtree,
Morning, Judge.
morning.
Judge, I have Mr. Ariano, and I did know what page he was on, but now I don't.
That's okay. What's his first name? Do you remember that?
Yes, it's Jose.
We'll say he's here.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
here. Judge, we're set for a motion
Sure.
to suppress this morning.
Okay. So
And
then, do you have something else besides that?
no, on this docket, no, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll hear the motion to suppress at 1:30.
Okay.
If you want to take care of other things in the meantime, we'll see you at 1:30, okay?
Yes, Judge, and I have a district court at 1:30 as well, but I believe, well, I can log into both.
Okay.
Judge, may I get a breakout room with Tim Roundtree, please?
Yes, absolutely. Okay, Mr. Roundtree, can you confer with Ms. Sanchez for a second before you leave?
I sure can,
And,
and may my client be excused till 1:30.
Yes, sir. Well, hold on. It
Oh.
may be that there's a problem and we
Sure.
may not be doing it today.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay? So you'll be getting a breakout room any second to go meet with Ms. Sanchez, okay? Thank you. Mary Peterzak.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. I'm trying to mute my other screen. Sorry, Judge. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think I'm here on the docket on a few or two individuals. On Mr. Martinez, I need to talk to the prosecutor. There was an offer extended from the felony prosecutor. And then on Mr. Soto's case, he does have a pending murder charge. And so I do not believe we're going to be able to resolve that case today in this court.
And what is Mr. Soto's first name?
Michael, it's case number 668411.
Thank you. And what about Mr. Martinez? What is his first name?
Oh, yes, Judge, I'm sorry. Thomas Martinez.
Thomas.
He has 4 cases on the docket today on page 6.
Okay.
647929.
Okay, that's good enough. And Mr. Martinez is here?
Yes, Your Honor, he is here.
Okay.
And then Mr. Soto is an inmate.
Okay. So what would you like to do? Well, you want to reset on Mr. Soto because of the circumstances, right?
Yes, Your Honor. And then on Mr. Martinez, I just needed to verify that the this the state and this court had the offer from the felony court.
Okay, offer, felony court offer, okay. All right, so I'll mark you conferring on that one so that you can find out from either Mr. King or Ms. Sanchez.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
And then if you want, I can just give you a reset date for both of those. Let's, on Mr., yeah, let's just, yeah, on Mr. Soto, we'll say April 19. On
Okay, yes,
Mr.
Judge.
Pardon me?
Oh, yeah, I was saying yes, Judge. Sorry, you said April
19.
19th. Yes, Judge.
And so on Mr. Martinez, if the offer is ready to go, I'm just going to reset that for 30 days to be on the safe side. But you know you can come in anytime before that, right?
Yes, Judge. And I think we should be good to go. I just need to verify from the state that we are.
Okay. All right. Then you'll get a breakout room any second.
Oh,
And
thank you,
Mr.
Judge.
Soto is he in custody?
Yes, Your Honor. He's there on the screen. He's in white.
Okay, Mr. Soto, Michael Soto. Sir, your case has been reset to April 19, and so you are released. You may log off. If you'll tell the deputy there, he'll make sure you can get off the Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ruben Flores.
Yes, Your Honor. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well.
And you're here on who, Mr. Flores?
I am here on, Mark Casares, case number 670114.
Okay. And Mr. Mark Casares is here.
He is in custody, Judge. Your cases are shown as bond cases.
Oh.
So I don't know if you brought him over, but he is in custody on some felony charges.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
So, what would you like to do? Do you want to confer with the state?
Judge, he's got 4 unindicted felony cases that I spoke with the felony prosecutor on Tuesday, and they're gonna try to get him indicted. So that and he wasn't willing to give me an offer on a package deal yet because there is a drug case that we're waiting for labs on. So I was gonna hope that you could reset it. They're gonna try to fast track that indictment.
Okay. So April 19, will that work for you?
That works perfect, Judge.
Okay, great. All right.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You have a great afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Saldana, this is Tim Rantry. I'm back from conferring with Ms. Sanchez.
Mr. Roundtree?
Yes, I'm back. I'm not sure if Ms. Sanchez wants to announce or if she wants me to announce.
I think that's okay. Go ahead and tell me what's going to happen.
All right. Oh, I see her. Go ahead, Karina.
Judge, we're not going to be having the MTS today. Our officer was injured and hit by a car, and he is not going to be available. At this time, the state is dismissing this case. The dismissal's already been sent to you.
I hope he's doing better. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Roundtree, so we will not see you at 1:30.
Correct.
And,
Thank you, Judge.
You have a good day. Take care. Thank you. And Mr. Arellano, if he's here, can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. All right. Sean, let me see. Mr. Khan, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Judge, I had a chance to confer with Mr. King, and Mr. King's going to look over the case, and we're going to ask for a short continuance so that the state can provide an offer.
Will March 24 work for you?
Absolutely, that works perfectly.
Okay. Let's come
March
back
20
on March 24.
At the same time, Judge?
Yes, sir, at 10.
Thank you very much. May I and my client be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, and you all have a good day. Thank you. Your client can log off. Sean Farmer?
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Jonathan Fraser. It's on page 6 of the docket.
Okay.
And he does have a felony pending. I do not believe he's logged on right now. I tried to reach out to his phone number, but the phone is disconnected. However, in the past, he has been communicated with me regularly.
Well, we'll go ahead and just reset it since he's got that felony also, I guess. So, how about, are you the attorney on the felony, Mr. Farmer?
No, I am not.
Okay, so then we're going to reset it to March 29.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
James Anders? James Anders? Okay. All right, Fernando Ramos?
Morning, Judge. I'm on page 7, the last entry, 673-370, Matthew Lauren. He has a unindicted pending felony, Judge. I'm the attorney of record on that case as well.
Okay. All right, so we'll reset that to April 19, Mr. Ramos.
Thank you, Judge. May we be
And,
excused?
is Mr.
I just talked to him. He said he's on, but I don't see him, but maybe you
What was
can.
his name again? Matthew what?
Laureano?
Lorian, and what was the last name?
That is the last name. Matthew is the first name.
And the last one again?
Laureano. Laureano?
Okay. Laureano, okay. No, I don't see him.
He said he was on. I just talked to him on the phone, Judge.
Okay, all right, well, he might be in the, I don't see him in the waiting room, but, all right, you know, Zoom doesn't always work. The internet's sometimes messed up, so
I
it
agree,
is
Judge.
reset to April 19, Mr. Ramos, okay?
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, you have a great day, Mr. Ramos, thank you.
Thank you.
Alberto Rodriguez?
Yes, Your Honor, I have Andrew Ellis. He's listed on bond, but however, he's now in custody.
Oh, he is, okay.
Yes, he is in custody on a new evading and an arson case.
Oh, no, that's not
So we don't know what's going to happen. He just has a $50,000 bond in the arson case.
Oh, yeah, he's going to be there for a little while, I guess.
But he's got plenty of cases with you, Your Honor.
Oh, does he? Okay. All
Okay.
right, so, all right, so again, his name is, tell me again what his name is?
Andrew John Ellis, Ellis.
Andrew Ellis, okay.
677451, Judge.
77451, I guess that was 677, huh?
Correct.
Thank you. Yeah, the audio on my laptop is still not good, and I have not gotten my headphones replaced, so I'm at a disadvantage. Okay, here we go. All right, okay. So, Mr. Rodriguez, on Mr. Ellis, we're going to reset it for April 19, okay?
419. Thank you very much. May I be excusing?
Yes, sir. You have a great day, Mr.
Thank you.
Rodriguez. Thank you.
Judge Mary Peterzak, may I approach?
Thomas Martinez?
Yes, Judge. I'm Thomas Martinez. I confirmed with the state that everything's good to go. We need just a week to get the paperwork done. If we could just reset this for next week.
All right, so I'm going to reset it for March 24, but
Okay.
You're welcome to come in next week as
Perfect.
early as you want, okay?
All right. Thank you, Judge. And then may me and my client be excused?
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge. All right, Thomas, go ahead and log off.
Okay. Andrew Freilich?
It's still there. I'm on mute. Hey, Judge. I would like to see if I can get in a breakout room with Corey. I got some of the MTRs on the docket, so I just want to see if we can resolve those.
You have more than one MTR on today's docket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I get the names of those people?
I will have to look those up. I apologize, Your Honor. It should be the last ones on the docket, to be honest with you. They're the 900 numbers.
Oh, let me look.
It's going to be
I see
page
that.
8.
Mullins,
Yeah, Mullins, Bay,
Bay,
and
and
Ramirez.
Ramirez.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And they're here?
No, Your Honor. I haven't had any contact with any of them. They actually, Corey might be a better person to talk to about this, but my understanding is they're so old we can't even find a copy of the MTR or can't even find a copy of the court summary.
Okay.
So
We'll get we'll go ahead and give you a breakout room, and y'all can go through that and see what needs to get resolved right away. Okay.
great. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Well, Brian Tisdale, could you please unmute yourself? You're still muted, sir. Okay. No, I still can't hear you.
Hello?
Okay, that's better, I think. Okay, so you're waiting for your attorney, Mr. Anders?
Yes, ma'am. I thought he would be here.
Yes, sir. Well, they're very busy these days, and so he's in another court, I'm sure. You want to wait for him? You're welcome to wait for him.
How long do you think we'd wait?
It's hard to tell. We have a lot of courts. If you want,
Right.
I can. You're not here to do a plea today, are you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I can excuse you, Mr. Tisdale, and I'll document it what time I excused you, and I'll just advise your attorney, Mr. Anders, when he gets here.
Okay, because I don't know. A lot of times he hasn't showed up before. Showed up once or twice, but then, I guess he gets felony cases or something.
Yeah, and
It's
I'm
up to you,
sorry.
Judge. What do you think, Dollar?
I'm not hearing everything you're saying. I've got my laptop at max. And, so,
It's up to you, Judge. Whatever you think we ought to do.
okay. Is this your first appearance, or have you been here before?
I think it's about the third. I think it's about the third. Can you hear me?
It's your third appearance? Okay. All right. I will excuse you, Mr. Tisdale. Now, if we need you again, we will just send you a re-invite so that you can come back, okay?
Sounds great.
But I'm happy to excuse you at this time. So Mr. Anders had been here earlier, but I think he had to go to another court. So Brian Tisdale, and I'm excusing you at 10:50.
Okay. And he'll let me know when the next date is or whatever.
Yes, sir. Well, you need
The
to
lawyer.
stay in touch with him. Call
Oh, I
in
do.
and make sure, get your update, okay?
I do.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Tisdale. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do I have to push out or?
I think you just leave. Oh, you'll see a prompt that says leave. You can leave there. Okay?
Hi, Judge. So I spoke to Mr. Freilich. I just need to run the MTRs through Mocha because probation does not have a copy of them because they're so old. And once I get those correct dates on the withdrawal orders and the term order, then I'll send it to the state.
You're on mute, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm so clumsy trying to get back on audio. Okay, Mr. Richardson, then we'll go ahead and see what the results are after you get a little more information. Okay, so you did talk with
It's me, Your Honor. Andrew Freilich.
Mr. Freilich.
Yes,
Okay, Mr. Freilich. So what we'll do, we're going to reset this.
Mhm.
We'll reset it to March 24.
Okay.
And hopefully it'll be taken care of before that, and it'll just fall off our docket. But
Right.
Okay.
That sounds fine to me. I have yeah, there's a set of these three, and I think there's I just did the wrong one. There's three more that I was appointed to as some other date, but Corey's working on all six of them at the same time. So it's I'm sure he'll take care of it. I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and look for those six and reset them all to March 24. Okay?
That's good to me. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you very much.
You have a great day.
If you have nothing else, then you can log off and you have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. James Anders?
Yes, Judge.
Let me take 2 seconds here. I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Anders, I'm sorry to make you wait. And you had Mr. Tisdale, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I just excused him like 5 minutes ago.
Yes, ma'am.
And, I know that you were here earlier, but you had to leave because you had something else in another court. And so I did mention that to him. Since you're here now, would you like to confer with the state about this?
Well, I just wanted to, the main thing I wanted to do was just kind of clear up the date and time for my motion to suppress.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, if I may, I believe this is a no file.
Okay, so we can't do that. We can't have a motion to suppress until they create the file.
Okay.
So let's go ahead, just to be on the safe side. Let's set it in about 30 days. And I like to do these on Thursdays. So we'll pick the last Thursday of, it'll be March. So at 1:30.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
And is Miss Castillo, is that a prosecutor? I apologize. Sorry.
You want to talk to a prosecutor about this?
Well, I know Miss Sanchez. I'll send her an email and get the ball rolling to talk about the motion to suppress.
Okay. All
And
right.
I'm in good contact with Mr. Tisdale.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, no, but I mean, sometimes, if you want to talk to the state now, then that should alleviate your schedule a little bit because you're here. So.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Yeah, I that'd be great.
All right, let's do that. It'll help, I think. Oh, yeah, well, now again, it's a no file, so they're not really going to have anything to give you.
Okay.
Well, since you're willing to do it, it will take you, not more than 10 minutes to talk to them.
Not a problem.
Okay, let's do that. I'll mark you conferring, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And I will give you a reset date of March 29, just to be on the safe side.
Okay. That sounds good.
And that means you can just leave from the breakout room. You don't have to come back into court.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Robert Valdez, good morning.
Your Honor, I'm here on Stephanie Barbeau. There's two cases I'd like to confer.
All right. And she is here. I saw
Yes,
her
she's
earlier.
here.
So I'm going to mark her present. And I'll mark you conferring. You should be getting that breakout room any second,
Yes.
okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Thomas Ray Esquivel, who is your attorney, sir?
It was Eduardo Jimenez. I just dismissed counsel, but I was going to ask if I may ask you something real quick.
Yes.
These are my last two misdemeanors I have. I just signed 5 years. If I could get these time served, I've been here waiting on chain for like 6 months already. If I could get these time served or even dismissed because I haven't been indicted, that would be a blessing right now, man. Because as soon as I get these last two misdemeanors handled, I'm gone. Okay. I'm going into prison now.
So, did you say you dismissed Mr. Jimenez?
I did, ma'am.
Okay. Well, did you hire him?
I hired him, yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so we'll give you a court-appointed attorney. Is that what you want?
Yes, ma'am, please.
All right, so Ms. Castillo will appoint someone, and today is Thursday. We're not going to be able to bring you back until Monday.
That's fine, ma'am.
Okay, all right,
Yes,
so I'm
ma'am.
going to reset that to, is Monday the holiday? No. No, could
Yeah,
be.
Monday's a holiday, Your Honor.
Okay, maybe not Monday then. So it's going to have to be Tuesday.
Yes,
I think
ma'am, that's
Tuesday's
fine.
the 22nd. Is that right, Alita?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, so Mr. Esquivel, we will bring you back Tuesday, the 22nd, but we will appoint someone for you now. And that way, hopefully, he'll be in touch with you or she before Tuesday. Okay?
All right, thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir.
Am I dismissed?
Yes, sir, you may log off at this time.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Frater, if you could sit down and keep your camera still, please. It's very distracting to everybody in this proceeding. Thank you, sir.
And to read his chats.
Mr. Jante, did you have a question, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I'm at a job site right now. I was trying to see because I keep getting connected on and off. Like I keep connected. I keep having to log back in on Zoom.
All right, let me see. You are Sean Farmer's client, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have reset your case already to March 29.
Okay, March 29th.
Yes. So I will mark you present, and at this time you're excused, and you can log off of Zoom. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Valdez, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, we did. He is sending me an offer. I'm gonna consider, can we get a short reset just to evaluate that with my client?
All right, we're going to give you March 24.
March 24th.
Yes.
Good deal. And may we be excused, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean, if you need to come in earlier, just reach out to Alita and we'll
Yes.
try to bring you in earlier, okay?
We'll do that, Judge.
All right,
Have-
thank you,
have a good
Mr.
day.
Valdez. And Ms. Barbeau, is free to leave at this time, can log off also.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day, Mr. Valdez.
You as well. Good.
Right. So my computer is about to restart without my permission. I don't know what that means. I think I'm going to ask it to snooze because I don't think I want it to just stop in the middle of this. Good morning, Mr. Padilla.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How about you?
Well, I just finished a long sentencing hearing, so I'm a little worn out, but I'll regroup and start over.
So who are you here on today?
Miss Paganucci, Emily Paganucci.
I think I saw Paganucci here. Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Yes.
So, what would you like to do?
Judge, Miss Paganucci has a DWI in your court, but out of the same incident, she's also charged with failure to stop and render, which is a felony, has not been indicted yet. So I still need to wait to see what's going to happen with that case. They're kind of arising from the very same incident. They do arise from the same incident. So I don't know what position the felony prosecutors are going to take on this case, but
Yeah.
I'd like to reset it to see what happens with that case once it's indicted.
Yeah, that certainly is a reasonable request. So, do you think you're going to be representing him on the felony?
Well, I am. I'm appointed on both cases.
Okay, then I'm going to reset you to April 19. Yeah, April 19.
Okay, thank you, Judge. And I'll tell Ms. Paganucci she can log off if she can hear me, and I'll call her and speak to her.
Ms. Paganucci, can you unmute yourself, please, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, I misheard. So Mr. Padilla has a reset date of April 19. So you are free to log off, sir, and have
Thank
a
you,
good
ma'am.
afternoon. And stay
Thank you,
in touch
ma'am.
with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Mr.
Judge. I
Padilla.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Your Honor. I believe this is all until 1:30. We've got everybody. It's just the the plea that we're gonna do and see the inmate comes in, Ms. Matson at 1:30 with Elizabeth Russell.
Okay. So I guess we can just recess at this point. Yeah, I was just double checking to make sure we weren't missing anyone. But, okay. Then, everyone can get an early break. And we will see you all back at 1:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And did you want to get off of the YouTube?
Yes. I will do that right now.